Hello everybody, it's Princess SG here today. Today, I'll teach you how to fix your peace pistol if you accidentally break it or if the spring inside falls out or the white part there comes out. You have to be careful with the white part there because it's really fragile and it can break. You can break your gun, the piece there. So I'll try to be as careful as me. I'll try to be as careful and don't break your gun just so how I broke it. So first step, this is how you can disassemble your gun if the pieces came out. I recommend using this because there's a lot of types. You can choose. Take your one and take this first. If you have something else that is better, you can use it. Or like something you can press the button and then you just turn on something like that. Now you have this, you will also need this. Why? If you're not strong enough, you can use this and just remove it. But you have to be careful. Then you can remove it. Next up, just try the gun normally. And here, you can see the insides. Sorry about that. My nose is not that good right now. Okay, so here. You can do. You need to unscrew the screw right here. Don't mind about the people outside. It's my sister and my mother. And then also the other one here. Now, next up, you have to remove this housing here. Then, you have to switch it to this. Then you go down there and you check the gun. You see the white stuff on there? Yes. Try and forcefully push it downwards. Done. After that happens, just take it out. You see like that. Yeah, don't mind about the one in the back. You don't need to remove it. Now change it back. Remove the screw here. Remove it. This is the inside of our peace pistol. Oh yeah, I have never seen this screw here before. It's just to remove this power here. Now, how to rebuild it back? So the main thing is that this thing may break, right? So you have to put it like this. The one that's here, nope. And then the long part should be placed facing the left side. The short part facing down. And where does the small spring go? Right here. if this spring comes out, you will see a small dot hole. Let's put it inside with that thing over there. I do not want to break this one. I'm not gonna show it. The button, the trigger, and what the creator of Peace Pistol said, the super smart AI detecting thing. This is how it works. So this right now has a slow spring. If it's like this and you didn't touch it, you cannot fire it. But if you do this, you can. So when you're trying to repair it, make sure the trigger can't go inside. Then take this piece and put it inside here. Here comes the tricky part. Take both of these springs and then remove this first. Watch really closely. Put the piece inside here. Something like that. Then take a spring, put it inside. Then now push the spring in a bit. Not fully push the spring. Forcefully to do it, and then put back your super smart AI detecting thing. I don't even know what's going outside there. Oh. Just try your best. Remember, if you want it to really work, it must be like this, and then you have to pull it in the part here, the curved part. Then put this back inside. Make sure it's down. I think that will work. Cause just now, you saw, it didn't work. This. Wait, let me see if this will work. So, put the super smart air detecting sensor down here. Then we add in this item here, our item here. We pull it like this. Then we slowly put it inside, and you see a spring circle here and the big circle right here. Yes, connect it. And it's like this. Please don't do what I did last time when I put this thing straight and I thought this would go inside. Next up, you see this part, the hole, and the part over here. Put it in together like this. If your gun looks something like that and you cannot put it inside, try and put this part inside here. It will work. This piece, just easy. Just do this. Next up, you close it up. This part here, this part down here. Done. Then screw it back. Screw it back. Sorry about that, guys. Oops. Be careful about this piece down here, and the piece down here. This piece and this piece. They're quite easy to fall off if the screws are not inside yet. Now just put them back inside. for this one, the same. Now guys, before you even put this thing up, you have to test the gun out to see if it works. How do you know if it works? If this one moves here, and when you release it, it can come back. Let's try. Looks really good so far, so let's go inside. Most people don't even know how to put this inside, and they just put the part here inside first. And guys, that is the wrong way. Don't do that. Put the bottom part inside first. Then make sure these are aligned. Then push it down and then push it in front. Done. Still works. If this somehow break apart. Now we're gonna talk about this part. Before you watch this video before, and you unscrewed this, I will show you how to put it back. I'm gonna show you how to put everything on this part here back. I know it's been 11 minutes right now, and it's close to 12 minutes already in our video. But so what? This is a tutorial. So I'm gonna show you right now. This part. Don't put it like this. Put it like that. This is the proper way. If you see the part here, it's a hole. I have to align them until it looks like that. Push it inside. This is supposed to how it looks like. Now this part. Just put it anyhow you want. No, don't put it like that or something. Wait a minute. Let me just see. Yeah, put it like this. This part here should be facing the right side, not the one that's facing the left side. Now you see the hole. You put it inside. Now we just close it back up. First screw to put inside is the one in the front. Wait, what's the other one? It's here. Oops. Luckily this thing is magnetic. This thing about average cost about $20. My dad bought this. Now we will just remove to this part inside. You see this? People are wondering if you put this inside first or put this inside first. Put this like this. Then hold it with it. Put this inside a bit. Then take it inside. And then press it until you see it go into it. And then just do this. For reference, it's the same. Wait, no, it's not. So you're just not the one that I said they're gonna do it. I'm sorry guys. Sorry about that. You guys ready for 2024? I'm not ready. I'll be 11 years old by the time. And my primary school leaving examination will be in 2 years. Primary 6 when I'm 12. Now the other one. Guys, I recommend to not put this inside first. If you have another gun or you're watching this video, you can look at the reference right now. Now, you know what I said? Put this in a bit like this. Then add this inside. It goes down and then until it goes into the hole. Don't put it in front. Then these two holes here. Don't just try and do this and put it inside. It won't work. If you see these lines up here, yes, the holes. Now you're trying to shoot it. Should fall out. I'll put this back inside. Take this. Now, don't just put it inside like that. First, I recommend doing this first. Try and see if this will just totally go down and everything will be fine. Then you can go here, go up a little bit, then snap this in first, then this next. Subscribe.